Here's how to speed up any video in Canva. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to open your Canva account, and once you are there, now here from the templates you have to click on the video template. Now as you can see, I already have opened this template in another tab. Here I'm gonna type in wildlife and then I hit the enter button. Here I'm going to click on the videos tab. Here I scroll down and selected a random video. After that I'm gonna fit this screen to my canvas, and once I have done, now I will click on the share button at the top. Now I'm gonna click on this download button here, and here I have to again click on this download button. After that my video will be started to download. Till the video is being downloaded, here in another tab I have searched for the speed up video. Then as you can see, it's giving me a bunch of websites where I can speed up my video. Canva doesn't have any inbuilt feature to speed up the video. You have to download the video from the Canva and then you have to use any of these websites to speed up your video. Here I have opened the capwing.com. To speed up your video, you have to just upload video here. Now let's go back to my Canva screen and see if my video is downloaded or not. As you can see, my video is downloaded. Now I will click on this upload video option. When I click on it, then it will take me to this interface here. Here I have to click on this click to upload option. When I click on it, it will redirect me to my laptop's files. Here I'm gonna search for the file that I have downloaded. Once I selected the file, now I will click on the open button to upload the file on website. After that my video will be uploaded on Capwing website. Here it will show you the interface like this. Once the upload has done, now you can increase or decrease the speed of your video. Here I'm going to play the video just to show you how it looks. Here I also decrease the speed of the video, then I played it to show you. To export the video on your device, you have to click on the export button at the top, and here you have to select the size of the video. Then your video will be downloaded to your device. So this is how you can speed up your video in Canva.